something that people don't factor in. Let's factor in the number of retirement years. So if you need 1.2 million per year and you have 25 years to live for, or you have 20 years to live, retirement is about money. And when you talk about money, the math has to add up. So we basically multiply the 1.2 million that we need per year times the number of years that we shall be living. So that is 25 years. I'm working with 25 years. So if you need 1.2 million per year, in 25 years, we need 30 million Kenyan shillings. So it sounds big, but that's the amount of money that we need. 30 million Kenyan shillings for 25 years. The amount of money that you require. And this is without inflation, because if we factor in inflation, the value of that money will reduce. The money will remain, but the value will reduce. Most people have never done this calculation. They assume that I will manage, or I'll figure it out when that time comes. But I will manage or I'll figure it out. It's not a financial strategy. It's not a retirement strategy. You need to have real numbers to work with, because math does not manage itself. It needs you to manage it well. Now, let's add the real enemy, which is inflation. So in section 4, we're going to talk about inflation. Currently in Kenya today, inflation averages between 5 to 7% for a long period of time. This means that 100,000 today will not be 100,000